Well, guys, as you know, I took a detour from my TruckLife living back to Texas to visit all my kids so I could go stay a couple weeks with each one of my kids and see the grandkids. Well, right now, I'm still in Texas. I'm in Amarillo, Texas now. And check this out. They got baby chickens. Baby chickens. Scoot back, baby. Scoot back. Look. He's the little chicken daddy. Are they okay? Are you taking care of them there, Stash? They call him Little Chicken Daddy. Look, are you taking care of your chickens?